Dear friends, as we prepare to celebrate the heavenly birth of our Mother Claudine, let us reflect how Mother reflected Jesus in her life.
மறையாத புகழினிலே இரவாத வாழ்வினிலே எம்முடன் வாழும் அன்னையே கிளாடின் அன்னையே உம்பதம் பணிந்து உம்மடி தொழுவோமே.
In a world often overshadowed by poverty and pain, Mother Claudine shines as a beacon of God's love and compassion. Her life on earth was a testament to divine light, and now, in the kingdom, she continues to reflect the heart of God to all who seek Him.
Mother Claudine's life is a beautiful testament to God's love. She is a sign of our generation, a clear, undeniable reminder that God still loves the world.
Imitating Jesus, she dedicated her life to being His radiance to souls. This profound union with Christ was nurtured by her devotion to the Eucharist through communion and silent prayer.
From this sacred union, Mother Claudine became a mother for everyone, especially for the poor and uneducated. Her actions were driven by a single purpose, the glory of God. Her love for God was her defining virtue, and she sought Him alone in everything.
Yes, dear friends, Mother Claudine is our treasure, a valiant woman whose communion with the Triune God was so profound that time seemed to stand still in His presence. Her closeness to God inspired her to live a life reflecting the virtues of Jesus Christ. Like Jesus, she embraced poverty, work, suffering, and a hidden life. Her every thought, intention, word, and action were infused with the Spirit of our Lord. She carried Jesus within her and manifested His presence through her very being. Faithful God, You promise to be with us always. In deep faith, we stand at the gate of tomorrow, trusting You lead us day by day into the future. Grant us the grace to embrace fully and passionately each present moment. When You are waiting to meet us, thank You for the SCC tree planted by Your servant, Venerated Mother Foundress Claudine Eschenia, and its growth throughout the world. Stir in us Your hopes, vision, and dreams for a new tomorrow, for a world awakened to You in our midst.
Pani pa sa ni pa ni pa ma ga ma pa ni sa